G'day guys, got the opportunity of using this camera, so I might as well give you a quick tiki tour of my layout and another quick look at that Bachmann DCC Sound F7A, the new model that's come out this year. This area here now is going to be where all the old locomotives will be parked up. I'm going to make it into like a bit of a museum area. Here where the container base has been once upon a time, this is all now going to be parkland, and I'm going to put that into bush so it works into the same aspect of what the manor is, making the country feel. Other things, like got a couple of guys here doing a bit of fishing, my church which you've seen before, and of course the top section which I started and have never ever finished. Bit of rolling stock along here, looks pretty good. The length of this table alone is 5 meters. Still not quite sure what to do with that bridge yet. I'm going to make something up for it. I might actually make this hill join all the way into this hill yet. It could be on the 5-year plan. Happy with my gravel pit. I think it's come up pretty good. Just got to put some more machinery in there, buildings and things like that to make it look a bit more realistic. The length of that straight from down at the wall to here is 6 meters long. So quite a good sort of a run. This used to be my workshop. Yeah, it's no longer a workshop now. I do all my engineering work in the actual factory now, so yeah, nothing is done at home anymore. And up the top here, I actually use sandpaper to make my roads. You can do all your crossovers, like there for example, where you can just put the sandpaper in there to pretend it's tar seal. My Bachmanns I've got here, I put tsunamis in these, and to make it look a little bit more realistic I try to give it a bit of a weather. See, it makes all the door hinges and everything stand out. I put engineers in there as well. Here's a perfect example. I'm putting sound into these two. That's how you buy it from the shop, and that's what it looks like. Typical Southern Pacific. Really dirty. They never clean their locos. So I'm going to be putting sound in those. I'll just remove those. And then my southerns here, I just remove the crap Bachmann decoders that are in it, and I put tsunami, just basic decoders in those. So everything I have here is basically tsunami. It's really the only way to go when it comes to quality of the sound. I will be using a few MRC sound units here and there. On these I'm just going to put one in the B unit and just a standard decoder in the A units. Right, now let's have another look at the Santa Fe. Once again, as I said in the other video, the axle was bent when I got it. Yeah, just wobbled down the track. I put a new axle in it and the problem's solved. Once again, the 2 lights in the front, only one actually works on it. Yeah, I thought they would have had it so both would work. I will make both work in the future, but just for this demo, I'm not doing it. So yeah. Sounds pretty good to me. Right. With these decoders, you don't get that feedback sound that you get with the other crap Bachmann DCC decoders. I just can't believe that they still stick that sort of crap into locomotives. There's just so much competition out there, you don't need to buy that sort of garbage. And look at that Tsunami non-sound decoder, look how quiet that loco is, man. When I had the Bachmann decoders in this, it would surge down this hill. Look at that, complete control all the way. Is the Bachmann locomotive a heap of crap? No, it's not. It's one of the most easiest locomotives to work on regarding sticking sound in, just converting everything. Very smart. It's just the decoders are just crap. Amazing pulling power on the Santa Fe. Still a lot of work to do up on the top right hand side here. So when you want to make your locos just look a little bit used and so forth, that's all you gotta do. Just get some pastels, just like this, bit of sandpaper, sand it down, there it is, it's black, stick it on your loco, problem solved. It lasts forever. Down on the bottom here is obviously where I'm going to be putting the coal area, plus my workshop, as well as the fuel depot, of course. go under the section here. This timber yard I think has come up pretty good. Just nice little sidings on it. Does the job. I'm happy with that. Now, my biggest mistake when I made this, I tried to make everything fit in. This is 5 degrees, this drop, which is just absolutely ridiculous. No Bachmann Dakota locomotive can go down this hill without jerking, in fact almost derailing itself, because it just can't control itself. So here's 2 Bachmann locos with tsunami decoders, non-sound. Wow. Look at the quality of the control from that decoder. Not bad at all. Another mistake that I did when I built this is that I used short points, because I originally started off with a British layout. Now, whatever you do, do not have a short point coming out and going straight into a curve, because what happens is that when the locomotive comes along, the loco is already starting to make its arse go that way, but the stock unit is towing is going that way. There should be at least some sort of straight in here, or bring the points back to this area. So don't do this, guys. That's going to be ripped up soon. The rest of my locos here are all Bachmann Plus. Just love the weight. Massive brass flywheels. A Bachmann Plus here as well, SD45. Painted the steps there and done the handrails white. Broadway, of course. Intermountain, and another intermountain over here as well. It definitely helps to just save for another couple of weeks and buy something of good quality, and you just end up with a really good set of trains running around. Well, I hope that helps, guys. All the best, and just like to thank everyone who has been watching all my videos. Any questions you want to know, yeah, just ask, man. I'll try and help out.